Welcome back to 100 Days of Startup, where I, Rod Danan, am building Prentus, where we connect startups to skill tech interns that they can hire. Today is day 75. Only 25 days left now in 100 Days Startup. So we're getting there. I'm going to get you some insights into first customers using the platform this week. Have a meeting with one of our bootcamp partners on Wednesday, so they'll be using it and then bringing on some other students. And then also, just gonna get some business meetings after the email sent out tomorrow. But for today, what did I do today? Today I was only in Bubble, or at least at the end I did something different. But I'm mostly in Bubble, so working a lot on the intern side, figuring out logic. Actually, intern and the business side. So figuring out the look of the dashboard, what's needed, and making some reusable components as well, but also going heavily into the logic side. So first, building the frame. So you want to have the intern menu, the intern header in terms of what it has to display. And then in terms of the actual content of the menu and what's on the actual dashboard for them, I had to figure out what is needed. So it went very basic. Wrote out user stories. What exactly does an intern need? What kind of situations will pop up? So I was going handwritten today. No ClickUp, no nothing. Just writing down in my journal, my notebook, each thing. Which it's longer to write it out, but it's sometimes just more relaxing doing that. So I've heard them other people too. But yeah, so I was writing out the user stories, figuring out exactly what I need to be done, and hashing out the sections that are needed. So with that, I was able to create the menu and all the different routing needed for that. I added a couple of different pages. So now for the intern dashboard, they have an overview, which is basically everything related to interviews. So all the requests, anything from their schedule, and ones that require their attention. Some of the other things I established was having interview requests expire after 72 hours. And then also if they get an offer from a company, looks like offer up is going off. And if they get an offer from a company, that's funny. I said offer and then offer up notification. Wow. So yeah, if a company sends offer, also that expires in 72 hours. So I sent up that logic. Had to do some changes in the dashboard as well. Or not the dashboard, the database, because some variables I had as like numbers, and then I need to make them Boolean, and then also swapping other ones. So once you change a variable, you got to change in every single location it's being used. So most of those variables I changed were around the intern reject, business reject, and then offer acceptance. So around those three, because each of those are used to display different statuses for each of the interview requests and how everything goes. And also for that, I wrote down every single like case that could happen for an interview, because the interview also includes offer information. So it ended up being about 12 different cases. So I also wrote that out, and I didn't add all the logic back just yet because I'm not, fully done with the dashboard. I'll continue with that tomorrow, but made a lot of good progress, and everything is written out. So I'm gonna be able to go into tomorrow's day and get things rocking and rolling pretty quickly. Other than the Bubble dashboard, so yeah, I just finished up the past 40 minutes helping different project members. So there's a lot on the back end. We're getting everything fixed over there. So now it seems like the members there are more animated, more excited. The back end lead, her name's Kai. She's doing great. She's really into it. And she was kind of guiding me in terms of what needs to be done. So still a couple issues there, but should be resolved. And then, yeah, I was just helping a couple of the designers. So one of the main things before I can say, hey, we rebranded, we're relaunching everything, I have to get the landing page up. And not sure what's up with the developer there. Haven't heard from her since Friday, and on Friday she didn't even let me know what's going on, which is weird because she started on Monday, said it would take her 2 days, but we'll see. For now, we're excited for the week. Got a lot to do, a lot of possibilities in terms of what's going to come, and I will share everything that does. So hope everyone has a kick-ass week. Hope you watch my videos, and if you enjoy them, share with your friends that like startups. But for now, good night.